Have you got a problem with weeds?
Have you tried to control them but they just keep coming back?
Do you know there's loads of different ways to get rid of weeds?
If you use more than one way, you're more likely to get rid of weeds. And we call this integrated weed management. Get weed wise.
Dig them up.
Set some bugs onto them.
Kill them with chemical.
Try a splatter gun.
Don't just use one herbicide group. Switch between the groups so you don't build up herbicide resistance.
Plant a forest to shade out the weeds, or mulch small areas to smother the weeds.
Try changing your land management practices. Fertiliser might help improve the pasture to compete with the weeds. Managing your stock, not overgrazing, can help.
Cut them down before they can spread their seeds.
Stop the spread. Clean vehicles and equipment.
Plant a windbreak to try and slow the spread of weed seeds.
If you want to know more about integrated weed management,
Head to our website.